Uptown Swing.
Level 1, 6 count. This was lesson number
2.
Peter.
Maddie.
So great job. We did this stuff. We made the tuck turn a little better. So it wasn't just like hoof. It was open, close, reverse. And remember, we had that feeling of being here and opening the door, and then we just put this other hand attached to it. So followers, you really go for it. Leaders, you don't have to push and pull too much. You just got to be clear with your hands. So we did open, close, reverse. Then we change places. We also did the cuddle today. The cuddle goes like this. I just open this hand over here, and then I go back the other way with footwork. It is rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. My hand's upside down, but who cares? I fix it. Leaders, remember, you gotta turn this hand over early so there's space. Followers, if you charge that way on your triple steps, you are going to strangle your own self. Then we did that down the line thingy. That was like this, rock, triple step, rock, step, triple step. We're gonna tuck turn on that. And remember, you still need to be doing a lot of practice of just your basic footwork. We'll do it together. Remember, we have this little bounciness. It's not standing there. You gotta have the bounce. Rock, step, You can chill it out after you got it. And then remember, if you're working on the triple steps don't go in little hops like this, like rainbows. I don't go rock, step, hop, and hop, hop, and hop. I do little smiley faces. I go rock, step, smiley face, smiley face. So if you got to travel to do it, that's fine with me. You can make it really big and slow. Even if you go super big, just to get the feeling, that's great. And then you can put that into your normal triple step. So you have that steady bounce, and your life will be much easier next time we see you. That's it.